Hi guys, this is Saurabh. In this video, I'm going to show you how to track your website traffic using Google Analytics. Let's see how to do this, and please guys subscribe my channel, okay? And let's start here. So type here Google Analytics and click on this website, first one. So sign up your account. So I'm going to enter here. So here you can see that's the first screen of Google Analytics, and you need to click on set up for free, and here you will see account name required. So I'm going to enter the coding bus, and now you will see the Google product service. You have to check all these things and click on next, and you will see there's an option web, app and web. So we are using here web. Actually we have to track the website data, right? So we have to choose here web and click on next, and website name, so simply is the coding bus. That's my website name, and my website URL is the coding bus.info. Very simple. Industry categories, so education, and you will see the report zone time is United Kingdom. So I'm going to use it United States. Simple, and click on create, and you will see the problem is required for compare doing business in the European Union. Okay, accept this, and I accept it. Finally, you will be redirected to this page here, and no thanks, and you will see this option here. There's a tracking code, so you have to copy this code, okay, and go to your website. You will see that's my website here, and now go to the appearance, and you will see the theme editor option. I'm using here WordPress website, okay, so we are going to set up for this WordPress website. So if you're using another website, so you have to go just in the header section simply, and you have to paste your code in the header section. So you will see this option here, theme.header, okay, header.php, theme header option, and you will see file name is header.php. So you have to click on this file, and now you will see this option here, head section, okay. So you have to paste this one code, paste this code here. Very simple, okay. So don't do anything else here, right? So just paste this code in the head section. Head is on, and here you can see there's a head off also, right? You will see that. So you have to simply paste this code here as it is, simple, and just click on update file. And that's very simple way to track your website data, and you can track your all data in your dashboard. Here you will see the details of your users, okay. So that's very simple. If you have any doubt, you can ask me and comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.